Good afternoon, welcome to Dancers Left Unsupervised. Here we have two side pouches from the British Army PLCE Bergen. Now the PLCE webbing system and Bergen have been the mainstay of the British Army since the 80s. It's had a few transformations from being green to DPM as we see it. It's made from 1000 denier rubberized Cordura nylon. It's actually a pretty good adjustable system. It carries a decent amount of weight and it can blend in. Now the fabric itself on all PLCE components is infrared reflective, so IRR, which helps under an infrared camera you're going to appear white, which is pretty good because it's got the same reflective properties as the natural foliage around. I'll apologise for the quality of the camera, and you may hear my 2-year-old son running around in the background, which is all good drills. Now the system itself consists of two side pouches. They combine via the zip. The zip is on the other side of these. That zips it to the Bergen or zips it to themselves. It's also connected by these male-female clips either end of the side pouches. On the actual yoke itself you have two green straps which come off and you clip them on, and this is the yoke itself. Now it's different from the yoke that's on the webbing. Although it's the same shape, it's different because you have loads of these male end clips. In a moment I'll show you what they're used for. Now this is mine, and it's been mine since I was issued it for quite some time. It kind of is now buckshy, but like I say, it's all good drills and I'll show you how to put it together. The first thing we do here is we attach the zip. That all being zipped up, we now are in a position to utilise the yoke. Now the yoke itself, we're going to use these clips here, and they're going to go into these clips here, like so. If you can see that. Now we come down to the bottom. We have these two male clips and these two female clips. Sorry, I'm trying to do it one-handed. Like so. Now with that done, we're now ready to move on to the next stage. Stand it up. As you can see, there's the shoulder straps and there's the Daysacks all connected to the yoke. Now here we have two female clips. Take the first one. If you notice, there is an end with two clips and an end with one clip. We take the end with the one clip and we put it. So once we've turned it over, we use the green strap. We use the end of the green strap, which only has one male end, and we clip it to the shoulder strap female end, like so. We come down here to the end with two straps. It's up to you which strap you use, but I prefer to use the furthermost one, and we clip it to the furthermost female strap, like so. And then we repeat that on the other side, like so. Now that is ready to go on your back for you to go out and patrol. It's nice, it's reasonably lightweight. It's got a bucket internal, so there's no pouches to lose kitting. You just put everything in there. It's like a dump bin, if you get what I mean. What I like about it is the fact that the zip has a cover. Sorry about the focus. Trying to get it in focus. The zip has a cover that can be pulled over, which helps keep the water from getting inside and soaking all your gear if you've not got a Daysack, a dry sack inside the Daysack. And again, just take it apart, you just repeat everything that you've just done. Now the DPM basically has been phased out and has all been replaced with MTP, which is the British Army's new form of camouflage. However, I still like DPM, that's just personal preference. Now you can compare this kind of Daysack patrol pack to one of these ones. This is, believe it or not, my daughter's. It's a 30 litre. It has multiple pouches and lots of places where you can put and store your gear. However, in the dark you're going to be fumbling and trying to remember where you've put things. But it is quite lightweight. It's nice and padded. On the back you've got a pouch here for the water bladder if needed. But yeah, she enjoys it. But she's 6 years old, and she takes it everywhere with her. Fantastic, as it were. So as a family we've got a few of these, a couple of these in green as well, and some 50 litre sort of molly stuff as well. But me being me, I still prefer Old Faithful. It's what I know. Anyway, short but sweet, but thank you very much for watching. If you want to watch more content, I'll be reviewing knives and going out and doing some bushcraft stuff, axes and any other bits of kit that I can get my hands on, and I'll also be showing a lot of the stuff that I've got already and reviewing it for you. Anyway, if you like all that, hit subscribe and like. Cheers, Dancer out.